Let's be honest. You're tired of seeing videos promising you can make $500 an hour simply by watching videos or clicking a button. Most of that is complete nonsense. Today, we're cutting through the noise. I'm going to show you a completely realistic, proven method to make an extra $10 a day online. $10 might not sound like a fortune, but that's an extra $300 a month. That covers a bill, your groceries, or starts your investment portfolio. Welcome to Grow Passive Tube, where we focus on real money, not fake promises. Let's get into it. The method we're using today is called website and app testing. This isn't filling out endless surveys for pennies. This is providing verbal feedback on new websites for big brands. Companies like HP, Samsung, and Adobe need to know if their websites are easy to use. They don't want computer code to tell them. They want real humans, like you. Here's the math. The industry standard pay for these platforms is exactly $10 for a 20-minute test. That means to hit our goal of $10 a day, you don't need to grind for 8 hours. You just need to successfully qualify for and complete one single test per day. So, here's how the workflow looks. Step 1. You sign up. You'll need a computer, a decent microphone, even a cheap USB 1 works, and a quiet room. Step 2. The screener. This is the part most gurus hide. You won't qualify for every test. If a company is looking for dog owners and you own a cat, you'll get screened out. This is why this method is realistic and not magic. To ensure you get that one $10 test a day, you need to sign up for multiple platforms, not just one. I recommend stacking at least 3 platforms like User Testing, IntelliZoom, and Userlytics. If user testing is quiet today, IntelliZoom might have work. Once you get a test, your job is simple. Speak your thoughts out loud. Don't just say, "This is nice." Say, "I'm looking for the checkout button, but I can't find it. The blue color blends in too much." That's the feedback they pay $10 for. Most of these sites pay out exactly 1 week later via PayPal. It's reliable, cash money, no points or gift cards. Making $10 a day isn't about getting lucky. It's about consistency. Sign up for the sites listed in the description, check your dashboard once a day, and secure that daily win. If you want more realistic side hustles and honest reviews of making money online, make sure to hit that subscribe button. This is Grow Passive Tube, helping you build your income one stream at a time. See you in the next video.